Okay, problem 1. Kenley has a collection of 42 miniature pets. 18 of her pets are cats. The rest are dogs. How many are dogs? Again, I start with thinking, am I comparing? I'm not comparing cats to the dogs. I'm not comparing Kenley to another person. So I'm thinking this is a part total problem. And then as I read it again, if I'm thinking that, I'm asking myself, do I have a total? Kenley has a collection of 42 miniature pets. To me, that sounds like a total. So I'm going to go ahead and put that 42 in the total spot. So now I have two pets, or I have two parts rather. The total pets, I have some that are dogs and some that are cats. Hopefully, as I continue to read it, it tells me either the dogs or the cats. From this sentence, 18 of her pets are cats, so it gives me that amount. And the unknown then is going to be dogs, and that's what I have missing here. Again, the only time you add is if you're looking to solve for the total. If either of these are missing, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to go 42, take away 18. Can't take 8 away from 2, so I go next door to get 10 more. This 4 tens becomes 3 as the 10 is converted or changed into 10 ones. Plus the 2 that are there is going to be 12. 12 minus 8. Again, if I want to think about it counting up, I can say 9, 10, 11, 12 would be 4. And then 3 take away 1 would be 2. So my answer would be 24 dogs. Okay, problem 2. Eliza has 17 more toy dogs than Kenley. How many toy dogs does Eliza have? So for this problem, I'm going to use information above. So I found out that Kenley had 24 dogs. Now, again, if I read the problem and I think, is it a compare or a part total problem, I'm comparing. I'm comparing how many Eliza has to Kenley. So I start with compare bars. And then the first step in the compare bars is figuring out who has more and or who has less. So it tells me Eliza has 17 more toy dogs than Kenley. And to me, it's more clear if I cover up the 17 and just read the sentence, Eliza has more toy dogs than Kenley. So if Eliza has more, I put it A there in the greater amount for Eliza, K for Kenley then, and the lesser amount. Now, I'm solving for Eliza, so this is going to be blank, but it does tell me how many Kenley has if I look up here again to that 24. The other piece of information that the problem tells me is that this amount is going to be 17. That's a difference of 17. Eliza has 17 more than Kenley. And again, whether it's a Math Mountain or compare bars, if you're using these tools, if the top is missing, you're always going to add. So I'm going to put together the 24 and the 17 here. 4 and 7 is going to be 11. 11 is a 1 and a 10. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 1 is 4, so I have my answer now of 41 dogs. 41 is 17 more than 24. So I have my answer of Eliza has 41 toy dogs.